Hi darlings, I'm so excited to introduce you to my magic night cream. I'm going to show Lydia the power of my night magic cream and how instantaneously it really transforms your skin, because you know I'm completely addicted to this, and I know that you, Lydia, are going to be potty about this cream. You know that film, Death Becomes Her, she sort of age reverses. You know, I kind of feel like it's like that. It's like my literally kind of putting it on, like it's got this amazing ingredient in it called Second Skin Red Algae Marigel, and I promise you, it feels like I'm putting on sort of, you know, this sort of young second skin, this sort of reborn skin. It's quite amazing. I just, the kind of texture of it, so it feels like my kind of, you know, the night becomes her cream. It's got winter Daphne stem cell extract, and what these stem cells do is they just repair all the cells, and they also boost the collagen. So any kind of exhausted skin, they just boost it up. How do you feel, Diane?
Oh wow, it's amazing. all of the dryness around my nose is just gone. Gosh,
it's really calmed it down around your nose.
Just completely, and around my eyes, and well, I can't thank you enough, Charlotte. It looks amazing.
Well, thank you.